Alright, look at this picture carefully. Now, you see this structure coming in here, feeding all of these things. You see these things, this loop, all this same structure. You see over here all these little feeders coming off of here, and the same thing on the sides all over, and the architecture of what you're looking at. Now, what is it that you think you're seeing here? Is this maybe like a liver or a cross-section of a lung or a kidney perhaps? Some biological structure? I would look and think that by looking at this, what we see right here. Now, when we back out of this a little bit, we see that it's still quite a large structure, and look at all the detail, and we wonder what's going on here. And as we come out of here, we realize that we're actually in the desert of Morocco, and right up here is the head of a dragon that leaked out some substance that is not what you normally see around. Now, I don't know what it is, but what we at Mudfossil Research determined is this is a dragon's head right here, and I believe these are the horns sticking out the back, the flutes. If you look carefully, you can see like a fluty looking horny thing here, and another one coming up this side, which is exactly what a dragon's head looks like. And they're I can't prove this is real, but I'm telling you, I looked at it carefully, and I've looked at all the research, and China says in ancient texts there was dragon breeders and dragon tamers, and there was feathered ones and there was furred ones, and the ones that were fur and feathers were magical, and the other ones had scales, and the ones that were magical were going to be seen when great events took place, and great events are taking place right now. So all I can see is what I can see, and there, you know, this is all over the place. Now I don't know if it's real or not, but it sure looks real to me, and it's exactly what we're looking at over here. Now, if you follow this head down, let's get back to where we were here. Here's the head, and if we follow this all the way down through his body, you're going to see this is his neck. I mean, there is literally no chance that this is not his neck. Those are dragon scales, if I've ever seen dragon scales, which I have never seen them until I saw this. Now, this is the fluting over his head. These are things that you see in the Chinese dragon symbology that we always thought was silly, but it is not silly. That is a dragon. Now, and as you go down, you can follow this thing. I'm not going to belittle the whole thing, but if you go, keep going, we're going 900 miles, and this is where his tail flares out at the end, which they all flare in these pictures. And if you look at the end here, that's the same structure. That's not normal. That's the same stuff as in the beginning. This is dragon scale stuff. It's just what it is. I'm not making this up. You can see what I can see with your own two eyes. And that's exactly what it says. This is supposed to be ancient Libya. This is Morocco. You know, look at these colors and things. This had some kind, you know, this was, I don't know what kind of dragon this was, because apparently there was all kinds of different ones. There was feathered ones and all kinds of, there was ones in the water, there was ones on earth, and this is all documented. This is nothing I'm making up. This was in the ancient Chinese texts. And there, I have to, you know, you can look them up. The appearance of the dragon, and they say that when the dragon reappears, great events will occur. That's all I can tell you.